सर ये कहाँ पे ज्वाइन करें श्रुति?
Ma'am, which subject?
सर इंडियन डांस।
Ma'am, it's specifically for subjects. You can join either languages or maybe humanities, just to gain understanding about critical thinking.
ओके सर, ओके ओके सर, थैंक यू।
Mukesh sir, Nilima this side.
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, I used the link twice and it has directed me to this meeting. I wanted to go to the foreign language meeting.
Ma'am, you have to select the breakout room here.
Okay, all
So
right.
can you
all right.
please
Thank you,
repeat
sir.
how to do that? Because I don't see any three dots. I'm so sorry, I'm troubling you.
It's okay, ma'am. At the bottom where tools comes, right? There's an option called more.
I can't even see that. I can see only 4 options: participants, chat, share screen, and reactions.
Okay.
Even I can't see.
Before
sir.
reactions, there is a breakout rooms button.
Yes,
I
ma'am.
think if
Yes,
you
ma'am.
click
You can
that, will
join
get
that. It
details.
depends on different versions which you have.
Yeah. which
So breakout
laptop
room you
you
have to
use.
join. Yeah.
We
Sir, I am
cannot
not
see that
getting
option
that
actually.
option.
Sir.
I have just participants, chat, share screen, and reactions.
Exactly, sir. Same with me.
Ma'am, have you joined from the mobile phone or a desktop?
Sir,
No, from the desktop.
my laptop only.
Ma'am, then ma'am, do
Yeah.
one thing, you just update your Zoom platform if you are not able to see.
Oh.
Or sir, do one thing, who is...
I'll assign.
Yeah, you can just assign it. Sir.
Okay. Gurpreet ma'am, Gurpreet Kaur ma'am, which subjects you are doing now?
Sir, I'm Sangeeta Kasturia. I want to go to foreign language breakout room. I'm not getting the option.
Sure, ma'am. I'll send you that.
तो
Foreign
मुझे भी
languages,
भेज
right?
दीजिए
Yes, sir.
psychology
I'm
room में
German
sir.
teacher.
Okay, okay. So that's foreign languages first, like.
Yeah, sir.
Okay, fine.
The psychology,
Ma'am, please tell your name.
Sampurna
Okay, Sampurna
Satpathy.
Tripathi. Okay.
Yeah.
Psychology, humanities. Fine, ma'am.
I
Mr. Ajay
clicked
Sharma.
Hindi twice, but I couldn't enter.
Ma'am, they'll let you know if probably the host will let you know if you're able to join there. Mr.
You direct
Ajay
me
Sharma.
there again.
Excuse me, sir. Sir,
Yes,
मुझे
ma'am.
भी language room में भेज दीजिए.
Sure, ma'am. Reena, ma'am.
नमस्कार सर.
नमस्कार सर.
सर मैं अजय शर्मा बोल रहा हूँ. सर
हाँ,
हमें यहीं पर जो मीटिंग के लिए हिंदी लैंग्वेज लिखा हुआ है यहीं पर जुड़ना है, कोई अन्य?
Sure, मैं आपको असाइन कर देता हूँ सर हिंदी लैंग्वेज.
जी.
Yeah, good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Right, sir. मुझे भी हिंदी के लिए सर breakout room नहीं दिख रहा है सर.
Sure, I'll assign you there, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
Mukesh sir, आप मुझे भी assign कर दीजिए, please. Hindi room. I like to go there first.
Dr. Anshu Arora, right?
Yeah, thank you.
Sure, ma'am.
Good afternoon, sir. Sir, this is Nidhi Anand this side.
Sure, ma'am. Which subject?
Sir, computer science.
Okay,
and
ma'am.
I'm unable to see the...
Fine, now you can see this. I'll join computer science group soon. Once I'll be able to help other teacher here.
Sir, good afternoon.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, I'm Sonika Pundir. Want to join economics group. As in the 3 dots, I am not getting any option to
Fine, ma'am.
join.
I have assigned you there.
Yeah, got it. Thanks a lot.
Okay.
Good afternoon, Mukesh sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, sir, I have to join this English group. English
Fine,
language. So can you assign me that room?
Sure, ma'am.
Thank you, sir.
Ms. Pooja, I can see
Yeah,
your name.
Pooja Verma.
Maybe, I think I already assigned you, or I can see your name in the list. Pooja ma'am, just try one more time.
Sir, I tried. Language दिख रहा है पर हिंदी दिख रहा है. English नहीं दिख रहा है मुझे.
Ma'am, English has have another link, ma'am.
Which link, sir? I didn't have. Can you assign me there? Can you let me go that that room?
I'll post it, ma'am. Just a minute.
Okay, sir. In chat?
I'll post it. Yes, ma'am. I'm posting in chat. So room 1, 2, 3 are for English sciences.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah,
thank you, sir.
Any other teacher who's facing problem? Please let me know.
Sir, for business studies, there will. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, for business studies, where will?
Sir, humanities.
So in the dot, nothing is showing now.
Okay, so what's your name, please?
Actually, in the list, it is going Galaxy
Galaxy, right?
M11.
Okay, fine. I'll assign you to the humanities group, sir.
That's for Hindi.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah,
So
sir,
now I join from this.
Yes, sir. You can join. Deepa ma'am, I'll assign you for Hindi.
yes, yes. Thank you, sir.
Sir, can you help other teachers to join? I'll just go and join my breakout room.
So may I help?
Chandri ma'am,
Mukesh?
yeah,
Yes,
ma'am.
yes,
Chandri
yes,
ma'am,
yes.
you can please.
So
Sure.
everybody, you can see your breakout room option. Scroll down. If you're in humanities, you can use the join icon located next to it. Keep scrolling till you go down. History is also in humanities group. Right, history will go to humanities room. Computer is one room, and the other is languages for Hindi, and foreign languages is the fourth room. So use your icon, breakout room, to go into these. And you can ask me if you have a challenge, and I can support you in that. Have you all joined your subject specific rooms, please? For those who still haven't gone into the rooms, use your breakout room option and scroll down for the subject you are attending. We have humanities here, computers, Hindi language, and foreign language. So you could choose the room while you scroll down the breakout room option. If you want, I can assign you as well. This is for humanities and social studies. So use your breakout room option and go into the humanities breakout room, please. Please use the breakout room option and go into the humanities room option by joining it. Ms. Poonam, can I help you?
Hi, ma'am. For Sanskrit language, where we need to go?
Okay, so you have to, can you see the breakout room option, please?
Yes, ma'am.
Click on that. And you can see first one is unassigned, and you scroll down, then comes humanities. Then you will move to, keep scrolling. There are a lot of people in humanities. Keep going down, then it's computer. Then after this is languages for Hindi and Sanskrit. So you will join that. You see a join icon on the right. Just click that and you'll be able to join. Is
Ma'am,
that
that
okay?
is only for Hindi or
And
Hindi
it is for
Sanskrit
Hindi
both?
and Sanskrit. It is for Hindi and Sanskrit.
Okay, ma'am. Okay,
Yeah.
thank you.
Yes, please. May I help anyone else if you have a problem? There are 4 breakout rooms here. Computers, humanities, Hindi and Sanskrit being the third one, and the fourth one is for foreign languages. Okay, Kusum Kapoor, may I help you? You can go look at your laptop and you'll notice a breakout room icon at the bottom. Use the breakout room icon and go into the subject that you wish to attend. Okay. What room are you looking for, Ms. Kusum? Humanities, yes. So use it. It's there. Just click. Can you see the breakout rooms option? Click on the breakout room option. The first one. Keep scrolling down. There is a scroller on the right side, and you first come to the humanities join option. Is that okay? Yes.
Good afternoon, ma'am. This is Pooja,
Yes.
this side.
Yes,
Ma'am,
Pooja.
I'm just trying to go to breakout room where I want to go in language, English.
Okay.
So, but I'm unable to find. I joined.
You're not in the
multiple-
wrong one. You're in, I think the language English is here.
Yeah, English was there in the that mail that I got yesterday.
This is the link for you.
No, it is in breakout. I have clicked on the breakout room.
No, you have to look for the one that you are supposed to go to. No, 1
Okay,
minute.
ma'am. I was going to join from there only, ma'am.
Yeah, please.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Okay, everybody here, please use the breakout room icon to go into the session. Yes, Miss Kavita, can I help you?
Yeah.
Yes.
Ma'am, due to some technical glitch just now I have joined in. Where do I need to join in?
Which session are you looking for, Miss Kavita?
Ma'am, social science.
Okay, so you just need to look for the breakout room icon. Click on the breakout room icon.
Okay.
And look for the social science.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you see? Breakout room for humanities. You have to go in for humanities.
Humanities.
Yeah. Yes. Okay. Did you find it?
No, ma'am, not yet.
Just keep scrolling down.
Yeah.
Because all the names are appearing. Yeah. Humanities is right. The first one. What's your name? I'll move you to the room. Wait.
Yeah, I got it, ma'am. Join
Okay.
Humanities 130. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Okay. Others, if you haven't been able to join, I can assign you to a room. I can help you with that. Mr. Ajay Sharma, can I assign you to which room? You can tell me and I can help you with that.
Excuse me, Chanderi ma'am.
Yes, please.
मैम मुकेश यादव है मैम मुझे हिंदी का रूम नहीं मिल पा रहा है अपना आप मेरी मदद कर सकती हैं
आप मुकेश आप यहीं पर है ना तो आप मुकेश यादव हैं
हाँ जी मैम हाँ जी मैम
तो मैं आपको हिंदी में भेज रही हूँ आपको अभी मैसेज आया होगा
मैसेज मुझे
स्क्रीन पे
हाँ जी मैम
प्लीज ज्वाइन करिए थैंक
यू नमस्कार मैम
हाँ जी
मैम मेरी भी समस्या है मैं हिंदी डिपार्टमेंट से हूँ और मुझे हिंदी में रूम में जाना है
मैं अभी आपको वहाँ आपको मैसेज आएगा स्क्रीन पे वो देखते ही आप ज्वाइन कर जाइए हिंदी में देख आपको आया मैसेज
जी
प्लीज ज्वाइन
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes,
is this
please.
a room for ICT?
ICT, I can assign you the room. If you can give me your name, I'll just do that, please.
Yes, Meenakshi.
Meenakshi. M-I? Meenakshi, okay.
M-E-E-N-A-K-S-H-I.
I'll see your name here, just a minute. Meenakshi.
My last name is Bhor, B-H-O-R.
Okay, Me Bhor. It is showing as Me Bhor. That's why.
Yes,
so
yes, ma'am.
just a minute. Let me assign. You want to go to which room, please?
ICT.
Okay, I'm assigning you to ICT. There you are. Please see the message on your screen. Others, Neeri? Yes, Miss Neeri.
My Bhan Pratap Trivedi.
I'm Neeri this side. Computer ICT, please.
Yes, please. Okay, here you go. Hanji, Mr. Pratap. आपको कहाँ भानु प्रताप जी आपको हिंदी में भेजना हिंदी संस्कृत में हाँ जी Miss Neeri, are you still here?
Yes, ma'am, I'm still here.
Okay, so you have to go to ICT, right?
Yeah.
It's not did you log out for some reason? It's not showing me again.
I did not.
No, don't log out. Don't log out. I'll just re-look at it again.
Sure.
So actually, if you have a breakout room option, it's not visible here. Have you logged in from outside of school? ID?
No, my ID only. Shall I just go out and come back maybe in a
No,
minute?
no.
or-
What you can do is look at if you can see the breakout room icon at the
Yes,
bottom.
I can, ma'am. I can.
Yeah. So take that icon and go into the computer
Sure.
room.
Done,
Yeah.
ma'am. Thank you.
you.
Thank you so much.
Others, please, if you let me know which room you want to go, I'll assign your room to you. Thank you.
मैम मुझे हिंदी लॉबी में हिंदी में जाना है।
अच्छा, मैं भी आपको वहाँ दीप्ति सिंह जी।
Yes,
ओके,
ma'am.
एक
Yes, ma'am.
मिनट, आपको मैं भेज देती हूँ। आप अभी आए हैं क्या? अब एक मिनट।
नो
हिंदी
मैम,
में।
मैं कई बार ज्वाइन की बट मुझे उतना वो नहीं हो पा रहा था।
अभी आपको
Clear?
भेजा है, देखिए, आप जाइए।
ओके मैम, थैंक यू मैम।
Yeah. Anybody else who would like support to join your respective breakout room? Yes, Mr. Katyal, can I help you to join your breakout room, please? All those who've just joined, you will have to go into your breakout rooms for your subject. Yes, Mr. Katyal, can I help you, please? सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है। आप हिंदी हाँ जी
Good
बोलिए।
afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon. I'm Madhulika.
Yes, Dr.
Actually,
Madhu.
yes, ma'am. मैं वहाँ जुड़ना चाहती हूँ, but जब भी ये critical thinking में आ रही हूँ, यहाँ मैं आपसे
मैं आपको बता, आप कहाँ जा रहे हैं? आप कहाँ, कौन से से?
मंजू मेनन हिंदी उसमें लैंग्वेज के लिए जो चल रही है।
ठीक है, मैं आपको वहाँ साइन करती हूँ। मिस्टर कटियाल, आप कहाँ ज्वाइन करना चाहते हैं? हिंदी, हिंदी आपका आवाज नहीं है। संस्कृत, संस्कृत और हिंदी दोनों एक ही रूम में हो रहा है, मैं वही डाल रही हूँ आपको। तो मधुलिका जी, आपको मैं असाइन कर रही हूँ, आप वहां चले जाएं, आपको मैसेज आया होगा। और मिस्टर कटियाल, आपको भी अभी मैसेज आएगा, आप उसमें चले जाएं। हाँ जी, ओके।
गुड आफ्टरनून मैम, कॉमर्स के लिए यही है क्या मैम?
कॉमर्स मींस व्हाट सब्जेक्ट? वी आर ऑफरिंग ह्यूमैनिटीज में है।
हाँ, ह्यूमैनिटीज मैम।
राइट, आपका नाम बताएंगे प्लीज?
मनवीर सिंह राणा, AIS।
Okay, I'll just assign you the room.
Sure ma'am.
Or if you can see the icons at the bottom, then you could use the breakout room icon to go into your room.
Sure ma'am, I'll just try.
Yeah. Yes, Mr. Manveer Singh, आपको मैं, I'm moving you to that. Okay, he's gone. Hello everyone. Can you find your own rooms? I can help you, Hemlata. Hemlata, are you here?
Yes, ma'am. Good afternoon. I'm here now. Just
Okay,
joined.
so I'm moving you to your, you're in humanities, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I would request you to do the same, please. I'm unable to move.
Your name, please, Miss Banisha. Right,
Banisha,
right.
right.
Just a minute. Okay. Can you see the icon at the bottom of your screen for breakout rooms?
I can see the 4 squares. Yes, ma'am.
Click on it.
Yeah, ma'am.
And scroll. You'll be able to see the first room is the humanities room.
And then what do I do after that, ma'am?
When you see the humanities room, on the right side, you'll see a blue icon for join. I'll try to assign you on from my end also. Let me see. It's not showing.
Yeah. But it says foreign languages join and humanities may. Ma'am, the join icon is not coming. That's why I'm getting confused.
Okay, I also cannot see you right now, so I'm going to try again.
Yeah, now I can see join, ma'am. I'll click on that.
Please, yes, please use that icon. Hemlata, same for you too. Please use the breakout room icon and go into humanities and join there. Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
Could you see it?
Ma'am, I can see so many names over there.
Yeah, so right on top where you will see the heading which says the name of the room, you will see the join icon. Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. Yeah, I can see that.
Please join. Anyone here from Amity? Please, Amity से कोई है यहाँ पर? Amity University से?
Nikita, where are we supposed to go?
Ma'am, in bottom there is a breakout room, so you have to just go to breakout rooms.
Where?
In bottom, ma'am. In bottom, are you able to see the breakout rooms?
No, I can't see it.
Ma'am, there is a 3 dots option.
Okay, yeah.
Just click it there, ma'am.
Okay, ठीक है. Thank you.
I think we are called to the general section now. So we are going there.
Noted, ma'am.
Sarita ma'am, is this the right channel we are on? Are we in the right meeting, ma'am?
Are we in the right room right now? We need to join somewhere else. Anybody can just unmute and tell me.
Not really sure, ma'am.
Not sure, ma'am. Good afternoon.
I think it might be the right one because chairperson ma'am is supposed to give her blessing and there is only one link for the meeting.
Participants are increasing.
Okay, so that means, ma'am, this is the right link where we are in?
Right. I think we are at right place.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Ma'am, this is the breakout room session. Hello.
So I think we left from our individual subject sessions.
Ma'am, but you ma'am, then you back in the main session.
Yes.
You just
So
this is not the main session room, I think, ma'am. It's a breakout room session, ma'am.
So we have to exit from here, sir?
I think so, ma'am, because I think the main session room is something different. This is the breakout room session.
No, this is not the breakout room. I logged out. This is the main
Yes.
session.
Ma'am, you
I've
logged
joined
out.
again.
Ma'am, you logged out from the breakout room.
No, I shut down the meeting and I joined from the main again. So this is the main one. This is not breakout.
Okay, ma'am. But I think so.
There is a confusion. What should we do?
I think this is not the right one because on school group teachers are sending the pics, so this is not the right group. I think we have to...
मैं हिंदी ग्रुप से मैं पता नहीं किस ग्रुप में आ गया हूँ. Please help me.
So we leave this.
Seems so.
Ma'am, I've shared the link for the main, the code for the main link, main session, ma'am.
Please join all of you the main session. Now this breakout room is on, and we are now ending the session. Hello. Please join everyone the main session. This is not the main session. This is the breakout room session. So, Bartikam has just told me that to just end the session, and you all have to join the main session.